Drone pilots, welcome to Pilot Optimization. We are the first to build and release algorithms specifically designed to match clients directly with you based on your specializations and quality of work. No other pilot on our platform will see these jobs that come to you. I designed this to specifically reduce the cause and effect of the race to the bottom approach. This helps you become more visible and stand out based on your actual quality of work. This is an app for drone operators built by a drone operator. This is for you seasoned drone operators who constantly get beat by low job accepting pilots on other platforms. This app isn't built for speed pricing. It's built to mimic real world business solutions that are built on communication and job understanding. I can't express enough, we are not like the rest. We care about this industry immensely, and we are exhausting a lot of resources to change this industry for the better. Comment app and I will send you the link that shows how to get on board and be more seen.